Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to configure email server in Cisco Packet Tracer. So we're gonna send an email from one PC to another. Let's dive into that. So I'm gonna build a network topology where I will drag and drop one router, one switch, server, and two PCs. Let's connect this. I'll rename this server 0 as email server. Let's configure the PCs. So I'll open up the PC 0, go to desktop, IP configuration. So give IPv4 address as 192.168.1.2 and give subnet mask, and also give the default gateway as 192.168.1.1. So I will close this and I will configure the other PC, that is PC1. Go to desktop, IP configuration, and give IPv4 address as 192.168.1.3 subnet mask, and give the default gateway as 192.168.1.1. Close this. So open up the email server, go to desktop, IP configuration, give IPv4 address as 10.10.10.1 subnet mask, default gateway as 10.10.10.0. Close this. Now let's configure router 0. So I will open this, go to config tab, under config tab. Now this router 0 is connected to switch through FA 0/0. So I will go to fast Ethernet 0/0, turn on the port status, and give IPv4 address as the default gateway. Default gateway is 192.168.1.1. Type here, give subnet mask, and now the router 0 is connected to server through FA 1/0. So I'll go fast Ethernet 1/0, turn on the port status, give IPv4 address as the default gateway, that is 10.10.10.0, give subnet mask. Now close this. Now let's configure email services, which is in the email server. So I'll open this email server, go to service tab, in service section, go to email, turn on both SMTP service and POP3 service, give the domain name as gmail.com. You can give anything like yahoo.com also. Click on set, and we need to set up an user. I will give the name as channel name and password as test. Click on this plus button, so it will add. I'll also add another user for another PC. For that, I will name it as user and give password as test. Click on plus, so it will add two users now. So I will close this. Now I will open up the PC0, go to desktop, in that go to email. You need to give your name as the username, so I will give it as the channel name, that is the Adiga, and the email address will be user and the domain name, that is theadiga@gmail.com, and the incoming mail server will be the IP address of the server, that is 10.10.10.1, and outgoing mail server is also the same, so give as 10.10.1. So you need to give the username, that will be the Ariga, and the password will be test. So you need to save this. So we'll get this page, close this. Now I'll open up the another PC. So go to desktop tab, in that go to email. So you need to give another name, that is user, and email address will be user@gmail.com. Incoming mail server will be the IP address, that is 10.10.1. Outgoing is also same. Now give the username as the user here and the password as the test. Click on save. Let's send the email from this PC1 to PC0. So I'll click on the compose. For the two, give the email address, that is gadiga@gmail.com. That is the user and the domain name. Subject will be testing mail. Give the body, and I will give as hello Gadiga, and click on send. So it will send mail to the other PC. Mail is sent successful. So I will close this. I will open up the PC 0 and I will check in that PC. So go to email. So you need to click on the receive. So I receive the email here. Click on this, you will get the body here. I will reply this message. So I will click on reply. So I'm gonna give the body as hello user. Click on send. Now the email is successful. So I will close this. I will open up the PC1. I'll go to email. I'll click on receive. So I'll receive the email. So as you can see here, you can also configure mail, like if you have made any mistake, so you can change it here. That's it guys. Thank you for watching guys.